Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic and herb oil dip. Now this dip is real simple and it makes a good appetizer for any dinner get together. It's just a bunch of herbs and garlic mixed together. We're going to top it with some olive oil, and we got some nice crusty French bread here that we're going to dip it into. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of parsley, half a tablespoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, some salt and pepper. We're going half a teaspoon of each. 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and of course our bread. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take all of our herbs and our garlic, salt and pepper, and we're just going to give it a crush with a fork. Just kind of break it down a little bit more so we're not getting big bites of herbs. And with the garlic, this is going to form a nice little paste. Just like this. Now we're going to go in with the Parmesan cheese. We're going to get that incorporated in. And then our garlic and herb mixture is done. We are going to slice up the bread, plate up some of this, drizzle the oil on top, and we're going to get a bite. And we're just going to use a tablespoon of this, put it into our serving dish. Give it a drizzle of olive oil. Now we're going to pan out and we're going to get a taste of this. There you have it. That's our garlic and herb oil dip. Let's get a taste. Oh yeah, it's really good. Perfect blend of the herbs, the garlic, the oil, the crispy bread. It's really good. Make sure you keep the oil and the extra mixture on the table because people are going to eat this up real quick. You can store the herb and garlic mixture in the fridge for about a week. You just eat at it. It probably won't last a week. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thanks for stopping in. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.